Namaskar. Welcome to the second episode of the series Introduction to Hindustani Music. So, in the first episode, we had discussed about the 12 musical notes which are present in our Hindustani classical music, and their names like Shuddha Swara, Komal Swara, and Tivra Swara, and their positioning in an octave or a saptak. So, today we are going to discuss about an important term called Dhat system. So this term you have to learn when you begin to learn Hindustani music. Basically, a Dhat means a group of 7 notes from which the ragas are originated or created. So this system was first introduced by Pandit Vishnu Narayan Bhatkhande, who was a musicologist and a musician by himself. So you all know that there are 12 notes, out of which Sa and Pa are called Achal Swaras or fixed swaras. So, and the other 5 notes, Re, Ga, Ma, Dha, Ni are called Chal Swaras, or they have one or more than one variants. So always in a Dhat, Sa and Pa will be fixed, and out of the other 5 notes, all the other 5 notes, either of the one form, either Shuddh or Komal, or in the case of Madhyam, either Shuddh or Tivra will be present. So if one variant is present, the other won't be there. So this is a basic rule of the Dhat system, and it has to be in order of Sarigama Padani. So there are 10 Dhats which Pandit Bhatkhande ji had formulated. So first we will discuss about these Dhats in detail. So out of these 10 Dhats, there are 6 Dhats which are using Shuddha Madhyam, and there are 4 Dhats which are using Tivra Madhyam. So we will be starting with Dhats with Shuddha Madhyam. The first Dhat which is using Shuddha Madhyam is called Bilawal Dhat. Bilawal Dhat, the speciality is Bilawal Dhat uses all the 7 Shuddha Swaras. So it doesn't have any Komal Swara or Tivra Swara. So Bilawal Dhat contains all the Shuddha Swaras. When we start learning music, we first start with Bilawal Dhat. So this term, the name Bilawal, you have to remember because it is the first Dhat we learn in Hindustani music. The second Dhat is called Khamaj Dhat. The Khamaj Dhat, actually the difference is Shuddha Ni is replaced by Komal Ni. So basically in Khamaj Dhat, it is in the order of Sarigama Padani. Every note other than Ni is Shuddh and Ni is Komal. So it becomes Khamaj Dhat. Then the third one is called Kafi Dhat. Kafi Dhat contains Gandhar and Nishad Komal. So Ga and Ni are Komal, and all other notes are Shuddh in Kafi Dhat. So the fourth one is called Asavari Dhat. So Asavari Dhat, it contains Ga, Dha and Ni Komal. So there are 3 notes which comes in Komal, and the rest other 4 notes are Shuddh. So Komal notes are Ga, Dha and Ni. So this is the 4th Dhat. Then the 5th Dhat is called Bhairavi Dhat, in which Re, Ga, Dha and Ni, 4 notes are Komal and rest are Shuddh. So the Komal notes are Re, Ga, Dha and Ni, and it becomes Bhairavi Dhat. Then the 6th one is called Bhairav Dhat. In Bhairav Dhat, Re and Dha are Komal and rest other notes are Shuddh. So Re, Dha, Komal and other notes Shuddh, it becomes Bhairav Dhat. So now we discussed about all the 6 Dhats which are using Shuddhama. So I will tell you in order once again. Bilawal Dhat containing all Shuddha Swaras. Then second is Khamais Dhat, all Shuddha Swaras except Ni. Ni is Komal. And then it comes Kafi Dhat. In Kafi Dhat, Ga and Ni are Komal, rest others are Shuddha Swaras. And then Asavari Dhat, in which Ga, Dha and Ni are Komal and rest Swaras are Shuddh. Then Bhairavi Dhat, in which Re, Ga, Dha and Ni are Komal. And then comes Bhairav Dhat, in which Re and Dha are Komal and other notes are Shuddha. So next comes Dhats which are using Tivrama. So the first Dhat which is using Tivrama is called Kalyan Dhat. Kalyan Dhat is just like Bilawal Dhat. It has all Shuddha Swaras, but only difference is the Ma is Tivra. So every Shuddha Swaras with Tivrama will give Kalyan Dhat. So the first Dhat using Tivrama is Kalyan Dhat, every Shuddha Swaras plus Tivra Madhyam. And the second Dhat using Tivrama is called Marwa Dhat, in which Re is Komal and plus Tivrama, Re Komal, Tivrama and all other notes are Shuddha. So Re Komal, Ma Tivra and other notes Shuddha, it becomes Marwa Dhat. Then the third one is called Purvi Dhat, in which Re and Dha are Komal and Ma is Tivra. So Re Dha Komal, Ma Tivra and other Shuddha Swaras are called Purvi Dhat. Then the last one is called Todi Dhat, in which Re, Ga, Dha is Komal and Ma is Tivra. So Re, Ga, Dha, Komal, Ma, Tivra and other notes Shuddh, it becomes Todi Dhat. So these are the 10 Dhats which are present in our music system. So I will tell you once again, 6 Dhats with Shuddha Swaras and 4 with Tivra Swaras, which are the Bilawal, Khamaj, Kafi, Asavari, then Bhairavi, Bhairav, all these with Shuddhama, and then we have Kalyan, Marwa, Purvi and Todi with Tivrama. So these are the 10 Dhats. But there are a lot of ragas which cannot be put under any of these 10 Dhats. So there are a lot of musicologists and musicians who don't follow this Dhat system. It is true to certain extent also, because there are a lot of ragas which cannot be included in any of the Dhats, but still we have to learn these Dhats because this is a basic ideology of Hindustani classical music. And plus when we learn alankars and practice alankars, mostly it is done in any of these 10 Dhats. So basically when we start learning, we start with Bilawal Dhat and we then shift these alankars to another Dhats. So there the Dhats are very important. So you need to know the different Dhats in this purpose. So today we will be talking further about Bilawal Dhat. So as I told you, it contains every Shuddha Swaras. So let us try to listen it when we sing. How will it sound? So I am going to sing it in my pitch, which is D, and with that I will be playing my harmonium also. So when you try this, when you try to sing this Dhat, always try to sing in your own pitch. So let us listen to it once. So it comes like Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa Sa Re pa dha ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. So this is how we sing Bilawal Dhat. So as I told you, the first lessons which we learn in Hindustani music are called alankars, which are used for practicing swaras and which are used for our vocal training. So it is basically started in Bilawal Dhat. So from the next episode we will be discussing about alankars in Bilawal Dhat. So for getting more, please continue watching my videos and please support. So till the next video comes out, goodbye and take care.